Straight off the bat, I don't want to waste your time. If you're here to find a solution to shoot in 4K over HDMI with face tracking, then this is not the video for you. For everyone else who's still here and hasn't clicked off the video, hi, thanks for staying. So you've just bought a Sony A6400 for your YouTube or streaming setup because of its amazing autofocus and face detection. But when you've plugged it into your external monitor, you've realized that face detection is disabled and it looks something like this. Whenever you pick something up to start talking about an object or something you're reviewing, you realize that the focus becomes on the thing that's in front of your face and not on your face itself. Really annoying. But I'm here to tell you that all is not lost. You can still use face detection whilst your camera is plugged into an external monitor. The only downside is it has to be in 1080p. For me, I don't mind shooting in 1080p. I don't mind the compromise. For you, it might be a slightly different story, but if you're a content creator and you want a really streamlined setup where you can guarantee that your face is always going to be in focus, then this is a pretty good solution. So how do you get it working? It's really simple. All you need to do is change your camera setting from 4K to 1080p. I know this is a compromise. I know this is not what you bought this camera for, but I just wanted to make this video so that other people were aware that if you plug your A6400 into an external display, then you still can use face tracking, just not at 4K. If you like the video, then please like the video, it really helps me out. Subscribe to the channel so you never miss another video, and follow the link in the video description to my Facebook group where you can ask me questions, you can request videos, and just essentially join the community. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again really soon.